Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do.
Let's go.
Sometimes I say that
One and up, straight go. Jump up, go. Wow, nice one again.
and I know love is like the
Yeah.
phases of the moon.
Look how the view is good.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Wait. How was the journey?
So today, guys, Njenga came. I don't know where he's taking us. Where are you taking us?
Surprise! It's a surprise today. We are doing different things from what we used to do each and every day.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also Leo on the
What? So,
I'm the chauffeur.
yeah.
I'm going to be a chauffeur too.
Today is day 18. Day 18.
Nini? Najua tu sasa ni gossip leo.
What tunaenda wapi? Usimsema kwa tunaenda.
Karura.
You're excited.
Oh. Good one.
Hi guys. It's 9 and we're taking our walk in Karura forest.
Yeah.
It's my first time being here.
And we have a
group. Say hi guys.
there.
Hi.
Oh, I think I should. Yeah. Okay.
They're all wearing Nike shoes for us. Nike already.
Mimi Japan.
Nike. Hata sikupanguza.
Tunafanya 35 eh?
35? Mimi 12.
Tunafanya 1.5 walk.
Oh, okay.
Sio tutakuwa tumekava mpaka kwenye milima huko. Yeah.
You're going to see the waterfall.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we are trying to keep distance. And wear mask. So we'll try to cover between 1 hour to 2 hours walk. Yes, that will be around, depending, since more of them are, yes, they are our sisters, do not walk fast, so I try to think 2 hours walk will be okay. Good. Kemunto Bear, kimbia. Madhe leo mkimbisha huo kabisa. Today Kemunto, she's trying to run as we do a walk, the rest of us. This downhill, it's easier for her to run. Yeah. Sasa nitakubebea, haina shida.
Kuna mtu ananiambia si mzito acha.
Si nzito. Kwa hiyo wanajeshi wanabeba 60 kgs for 28 kgs. You can see today she's under pressure. That's one. Good. Utatoboa. Pole pole tu. Stretch. Una stretch tu ka unaenda. No, iko sawa. Ni vile mwili pata joto. Si ndio lazima tutembee like hiyo refu. Nice one. I can understand for her she cannot run. She's blessed. She's expecting and that's why you can't run. Oh, na garaka. Ushafika. Hata hili tungekuja na Liam. Change. Atwende. Nice one. Try to put the other leg straight. Yeah, there. That's the position. That's always that way. Make sure it's always straight. Okay, good. Yeah, when you're stretching. Let's go.
I'm stretching, guys.
Yes. But we still have to cover the 1.5, like 1.5 hour to go. We have already done like 20. Mama Cynthia, she's doing well. Eh? This is. Oh. Today, I'm just holding the camera. Mama Cynthia, she's the one who takes over to make sure that Kemunto, she's doing her best. You see, you can also train, yeah? Good one. So I have bags in my back. I'm carrying water, but I have to run and catch up with them. Yeah, you okay?
Yeah.
Good. And you, how are you? So, yeah, she is, but you see, yeah, and she's walking very fast, yeah? So you have to catch up with. So we need to catch up. Go and kicking last. Throw kicks. Nice one. 2, 3. Good one. Keep it up. Kemunto. Nice one. Good. Wow. You can see. Keep it up. That's why it's called.
This is Kenya.
Yeah. Wow. Look how the beautiful it is. Yeah, where? Yeah, I know. We'll try to massage that with ice and make it. Yeah. How are you feeling, Kay?
Guys, by now give me 500 likes.
Yes. You need 500 likes, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. I wish they can make us do live on this place. Karura forest. It's near Nairobi. Now they are running. Nice one, Karo! Keep it up, keep it up. Nice one. The girls, mnachona Karo. Whoa, nice one. Wow, that's nice. Oh, Tuende. Let's Kemunto and Mom. Let's go. Watch your foot, don't slide. Go. Nice one. Keep it up. Don't stop. Don't stop. You are not stopping. Keep it up. Keep it up. Don't finish. You have to finish. You have to pass me. Nice one, Mom. Nice. Good one. Wow. Today. That's good. Today, she has to drop like a pound or something. Good. Stretch, stretch. Yeah, yo. Karura nadhani umebeba mkimbiaji. Guys are doing well. Ni poa, imekusaidia sana. Like
Even the first one we used to.
she's very fast. Cynthia, Karura amekuacha, like serious? Oh. Today Edward is not the trainer. Mom, she is the trainer of the day. She is the trainer of the So those likes make them 500.
You're just a cameraman.
Today I'm a cameraman, no? And a bag carrier, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh jeez. Yeah, she's a mom 15 years, so it's not her first pregnancy. You see how she has the muscle everywhere. 6-pack. Right now she has like 1 pack. Oh, now that's mother and daughter. I have to run fast than them so that I can capture them. Whoa. Don't worry about the shake. That's mom and daughter and daughter. That's what good one. Keep it up. Those are. Yes, keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. See, nice one. Beginners, you have to catch up. Nice, guys. Wow, this is the funniest thing. Sola mambo. Good.
Do you like?
Wait. Nice one, ask them.
I have a question for you guys. Do you like working outdoors or working in the gym or indoors?
Yes.
Leave a comment down below.
Yes.
I'll be checking.
Yeah. And we are looking forward to do on Friday live coverage.
Or when Corona is gone, we'll be doing something for the K-tribe who want to join.
Good, yeah. Good one. No tired, no giving up. You don't give up when you're training. Nice, Cynthia. Pole pole too. Good one. Try to step on your toes most of the time, not flat foot. Good. Knee up, go. What's that? You can also do that. You can also do it. You can also do it. What's that? Yo. Good one. Kemunto leo nasikiaje? The view is nice, eh? Leo no stairs, no hill, but there are 2 hills you have to climb. Right?
No hill, mama.
Yeah? Leo mama ndio kupeleka hill. Yeah. Oh, good. Jihad, she is not lazy. She's doing well. That's nice one, change. Nice one. Try it. Try it. Go. You can do it. Nice one. Nice one. It's always 1, 2, change. Change. Hii mambo ya kushiki kwa nyumba sana inatuma usijue vitu vingi, unaona? No, we walk. You know, we are not stretching, we have not yet done with an exercise. We are still on our exercise. We have already done like 3 kilometers, my friend. We have already done like 3 kilometers. Yes, when you're raising, you need like to fold your foot. Do you see how you're folding? Like when you fold and then you don't step with the whole foot, you try to step with the toes, tap. Like when you're dropping, you step with the toe. you're stepping with the flat. Try with the toe. Like watch it. It's. I see. There, and you avoid much flat foot. Yeah. Go, and fold it. Just take it slow, like you're jumping, like there. Now try to add speed. Okay. You are never meant to be a runner, my friend. Running, yes, for exercise, yes, but for the athletics, no. Now. Track runner. What happened? And I noticed your sister, she has like a height, yeah?
Yeah, she runs also with it.
Yeah. This is what happened when you go with girls. Your foot is flattened. Yeah, but I know there's a special shoes. We need to look for that. If someone who can offer those special shoes, guy. Yeah, they are those like with the flat-footed. They are kind of a shoes people wear so that they can have like a shock. Yeah. But yeah, we'll show them later. No more activities, just walk, having fun, also entertaining yourself in run, enjoying exercise, enjoying the nature walk. Yeah, this is what we call a nature walk. It's still an exercise. Okay. Kizungu yenyu tafadhali.
Nice. Yeah, you said nice.
Hii kizungu yenyu, my friend. You have to run. You have to run. You have to run. You have to run. Do you know last time you didn't run? Good. She's picking up pace. I'm happy she's liking the exercise. What do you think? What do you think about you, Kay?
She's trying.
She's trying. She's doing well, yeah? Have you seen improvement in her?
Mostly skipping.
Yeah, she's doing well in skipping, yeah? So we keep up on this on the next phase of 21 days, eh? Good. See, in Karura they have done the protection and everything because of Corona. No sitting, just walk. Tutatembea tu.
Naona venye umeisha ndani washi.
Yeah. Yeah. Mentok. Enda, leta acha bag. The green is 15 km, the blue is 10 km. So you can see it's a place you can come. Yeah, so we are doing another 15. Yeah, from
Kiambu to Limuru.
Limuru Road, not Limuru. We are just on the road that goes to. No. But no, it's a road that leads to Limuru.
What is the difference?
A big one.
From gate Kiambu gate to Limuru.
Limuru gate. Now we are also now going back again to. I know you hate like going up clean.
Yeah.
So you have to.
Don't blame me when I start having crap.
Raise your foot, raise your foot, raise your foot, raise your foot. Yes, there. 1 and up. Up straight, go. Jump up, go. Wow, nice one again. You can do it. Your hand what? Your hand what? Nah, there's nothing about your hand. Let's go. Cynthia, join the team. No, you can do it. You can do it. Go. With what? With your gloves? With what? Lamu. Lami. Now you can do it here. Do it here. Yeah, hapo. Let's go. Do it hapo. 2, 3, go. There's no vehicle. I've checked. Lies 1. Down and then up. Go. Up. Again. Oh no. Oh guys, let me laugh. Let me just laugh. Let's go, man. Let's run the tunnel. Good girl. What's that? Nice one. 1, 2. Watch out, the ground is slidey. It was bumpy. With the jumps. Yote, sio just una yeye inamaliza 6 pack. You want to get a 6 pack? Go. 2, 3, go up and go. Up, go. 1. How is that going? Be honest with them. Let them know how you're feeling.
Okay. In my heart I feel good. My heart is pumping, I feel good. But my knee, I'm suffering, guys, here. And then I think I'm starting to have blisters.
The shoes, yeah? Yeah. We need to change those shoes, yeah?
So guys, this is Africa as seen by an African. I'm Kenyan.
Yes.
African.
You see the nature? I know I'm slowing you guys down because of the girls. So you can catch up with them. I'm still at the back. Yeah. Kimbia kidogo wafikia haraka. Kimbia watatupotelea hapo mbele. There are 2 routes. That is a long way. This is a bit short because they're like too tired. You take a shot. So waterfalls and cave, that's the route to waterfalls and cave. You can see we are getting in and in the middle of darkness. Look at the trees.
Hata sweat inakauka.
So jasho inakauka.
Twende. Hapa ni kushuka.
Hiyo ndio mko.
Pole.
You're not wearing your shoes?
It's uncomfortable.
Have you walked too much? Like, yeah. Do you feel like you're so exhausted, like tired?
Tired.
Very tired, yeah? We are like
almost done the cave.
Yeah, to the caves, and then caves, and after caves we go to the falls. Then after falls, back home, yeah? Okay. We'll be done in the next 40 to 45 minutes, okay? Yeah.
If it was that,
No, hapa kwanza ndio pazuri.